Make a great choice today with the 2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, auto off headlights, remote trunk release. Come see the car for yourself.